multiplication. So right. Now we have all this. Just rubbing. So we are starting from the first group. How do I change subjects of expressions or equations involving multiplication? Let's write something small now, right? So when the equation involves multiplication, how do I change the subject? It's simple. What is what you have to do? Divide both sides of the equation by the variable or variable standing with or attached to one to be made the subject. I'm taking it again. When the equation involves multiplication, divide both sides of the equation by the variable or variables standing with or attached to the one to be made the subject. For example, what am I saying? For example, to make H the subject of the relation K is equal to MGH. We have K equals to MGH. And you are asked to make H the subject. So make H the subject of the equation. When you're asked to make H the subject of this equation, it's very, very simple. What do you have to do? Just check. It says that the one involving multiplication, this is how you have to do. Check. Divide both sides by the letters or variables attached to one you want to make it the subject. So in this case, you want to make H the subject, right? By looking at H, you can see that we have M and G being attached to H. So it's simple. What you have to do is that you divide both sides of the equation by M and G. M and G, the variable or variables attached to the one going to make it the subject. So simple. So this one becomes K is equal to MGH divided by MG. You divide the right side by MG. Divide left hand side by MG. Whatever you do for the left, do the same thing for the right. So that M takes off M, G to G, right? Now you get your H that you want to make it the subject. So I can say that K